Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1957 Ford Thunderbird F-Code Supercharged stands as a remarkable symbol of American automotive innovation and style. This iconic vehicle, often celebrated for its sleek design and luxurious features, took performance to another level with the introduction of a supercharged engine option. The Thunderbird was first introduced in 1955 as Ford's answer to the Chevrolet Corvette, and by 1957, it had evolved into a true classic, capturing the hearts of car enthusiasts everywhere. The F-Code Supercharger was a game-changer. Ford equipped the Thunderbird with a 312 cubic-inch V8 engine, which produced an impressive 300 horsepower thanks to the Paxton Supercharger. This was a significant leap in power at the time, making the Thunderbird not just a pretty face, but a formidable performer on the road. With this enhanced performance, the Thunderbird could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 8 seconds, a feat that was truly remarkable for the era. The exterior design of the 1957 Thunderbird also played a major role in its appeal. The car featured a distinctive, curvy silhouette with a long hood and a shorter rear deck, which contributed to its sporty appearance. Chrome accents adorned the body, enhancing its luxurious feel, while the interior was equally impressive. With plush seats, a stylish dashboard, and optional features like air conditioning and power windows, the Thunderbird aimed to provide a comfortable driving experience, combining performance with elegance. In 1957, Ford produced only a limited number of F-Code Thunderbirds, making it a rare gem among collectors today. The supercharged variant was not widely marketed, which adds to its mystique and exclusivity. Many enthusiasts appreciate the rarity, often seeking out these models for restoration projects or as prized additions to their collections. Owning a 1957 Thunderbird F-Code is like owning a piece of automotive history, showcasing the bold design and engineering prowess of the late 1950s. The Thunderbird's impact on the automotive landscape extended beyond its performance metrics. It influenced the design of future cars, paving the way for the concept of personal luxury vehicles. The combination of style, comfort, and power set a standard that many manufacturers aspired to replicate. Even today, the 1957 Ford Thunderbird is celebrated in car shows and enthusiast circles, a testament to its enduring legacy. As we look back on the 1957 Ford Thunderbird F-Code Supercharged, it reminds us of a time when American manufacturers were pushing the limits of what cars could be. The blend of performance and luxury, combined with its iconic design, has solidified its status as a classic. For many, this car represents not just a mode of transportation, but a symbol of freedom and adventure that defined an era. Whether you're a lifelong fan of classic cars or just discovering this piece of history, the Thunderbird remains a captivating chapter in the story of American automobiles.